What's up, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a song in 15 minutes. Super fast, right? Boom. Beat that. I don't care if you're a Grammy Award-winning singer, songwriter, Adele, Beyonce, I'm talking to you, or if you're a regular old shower Whitney Houston like me, this app is going to turn you into Lady Grande. I promise you. So without further ado, if you want to learn how to make a song in 15 minutes, then keep on watching. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to be using the VOISEY app. I'm going to use it on my iPad, and I'll screen record so you guys can see what I'm doing. First thing I'm going to do is open up the VOISEY app, and what you want to do is click the V in the middle and hit record VOISEY, and then at that point it's going to tell you to pick a beat. Now I already know what beat I want to use, but you can scroll through all these kinds of beats, all these genres. If you want to do like reggaeton, you feel me? And all these people have uploaded their own beats. So for me, I already know which one. I'm gonna use one that I have already used in the past. I'm gonna hit record. And there we go. Now I see my own face. Hey girl. Hi. You can preview the song by pressing the play button. And you can practice. But what you're gonna need to record is some headphones that have the mic piece that plug in. For some reason, my Bluetooth headphones don't work with this. But no big deal, everyone on the app has them. Everyone looks just as silly as each other with these headphones dangling from their ears. It's cool. You'll be fine. So, first thing I want to do is record like background vocals, like the oohs and ahs of stuff. So, I'm going to listen to it. I also gotta plug my headphones in. Gotta plug my headphones in. Headphones in. Plug my headphones in. Headphones. Ooh. 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 Something like that. So you could just start with something really simple, just like humming whatever you think of to the beat. I'm just gonna record and you'll see what it sounds like. So it counts down for you, and then I'm just gonna record. It's really simple. You don't have to make it really hard. You can just hum something into the phone, and that's gonna be your background. Just whatever you think you hear in the music. Anything. You can just make anything up. It can be like, bah, bah. Don't be afraid to make noises. One time I was like, bah, 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 and it ended up sounding dope. Just don't limit yourself. Just have fun. It's just an app, and it's super fun. You have full creative control of your music. It's awesome. So then you want to save that draft. So I'm just gonna save that as I'm gonna keep it as private. I'm gonna unhit public. Then I'm gonna save it. Then you're gonna go back to your profile and see it's processing over there. So we're just gonna wait for it to process. And then after it's done processing, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so next step is hit the video that you just created and then hit split screen, and it's going to play what you recorded in your ears, and then you're gonna sing on top of what you just recorded. Okay, so you're gonna split screen and you're gonna record. Now, what am I gonna record now? Okay, so next I'm gonna add just some like random sounds. I'm gonna like just slap at the bass and slap at the knees and just go on beat and see what that creates. What does that sound like on top of what I just made? Okay, I'm into it. So you can add up to 4 different boxes. Let me just save that. I'm gonna save that. You can do like singing in one, a beat in the other one, rapping in another one. You can utilize so many things with this app. It's so much fun. And this is not like a paid sponsorship or whatever the heck it is. Nobody paid me to say this. I thought this was super nerdy at first, and then I tried it and I was like, oh my god, I'm having so much fun. So I'm just gonna name this Second. I don't know why, just to get it over with. So then after you've done your background vocals and you've done your beat, if you want to, I mean, there's already a beat that you're using, so you don't have to do that. I was just being extra because that's me. After you finish doing those things, it's time for you to write some lyrics down. So I had a little bit of an idea already, so I'm just gonna record and you'll see. Split the screen. Get this ready. Ooh. Sips tea. Ooh, that was like gulps tea, not sips tea. Definitely chugged tea. Look at mama, baby, so cute. I love you. I really want to take these off. I can't even commit to wearing glasses for the full video. I felt like my true beauty was not being showcased. Okay, ready?
Subscribe to my channel, Dakota Reese.
Subscribe to my channel, Dakota Reese. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Here is where you come to get your laughs. So go and hit subscribe and leave a like. Oh, hey friends, welcome to my channel. Here is where you come to get your laughs. So go and hit subscribe and leave a like. Welcome to my channel. Bye, friends. Okay, so 15 minutes is relative, but if you're like me and you're a perfectionist and you do one take after another, it might take a little bit longer than that. But, I mean, if you're just trying to throw a song together and just to prove that you could do it, 15 minutes tops, you'll get it done. And it's just that simple. I mean, you lay your background vocals and then you can just sing over that or rap, or if you want to add a beat like I did, you can do that. The only annoying part is that you have to save it and then wait, but if you have an updated phone, it should be super fast. I know it was taking long on my iPhone, but it's really fast on the iPad, so just be aware of that. I actually left one box open on purpose so that you guys could add something to the song that I just made. Play around, have fun. It's such a fun app. It makes you feel like a rock star. So find me on Voicey. I'll leave my link in the description box, and add something to my song. I'd love to be friends on that app as well. And if you want to, you can check out some of the other songs I've made with the app, which I think are pretty dope. Just saying. I also want to give a quick shout out to benbladz. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce that. That's who made this beat. Shout out to you, benbladz. You can check him out. I'll leave his link down below. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Hug yourself. All of that. I'll see you in the next one, friends. Bye. I know it's my time, ain't nobody out could kill my shine. I know it's my time, ain't nobody out could spit this rhyme. I know it's my time, ain't nobody out could kill my shine. I know it's my time, ain't nobody out could spit this rhyme. Oh, hi, hi, roll, roll, hi, hi, roll, roll, swoop, whoop, roll, roll, swoop, whoop, roll, roll.